Times Now right now has accessed the court order on Bibhav Kumar's remand. Now remember, the court had remanded Bibhav Kumar to police custody for about 5 days, and we have that order copy that's with us. What did the court observe? My colleague Ankit is joining us from the newsroom, and he will take us through the operative parts. The prosecution had made important submissions before the court. Ankit, take us through the operative parts of the court order that you've accessed on Bibhav Kumar after he was remanded. What has the court observed?
On the grounds of arrest, and also gone through the case file as well as case diaries. The criminal antecedents have not been disputed by the defense counsel. That's about Kumar Bibhav. He has also not disputed that services of accused have been terminated. So Chief Minister Kejriwal had sacked Kumar Bibhav. Still he was present at the residence. The fact of not finding the video footage in the pen drive provided during the course of investigation and getting formatting of the mobile phone by the accused also speaks volumes. So about the evidence, he says it speaks volumes. Every investigation is a quest to find the truth and is the ultimate goal of the investigation. I've also gone through the basic provisions of the law on whether the arrest is necessary in the course of the investigation. Constitutional Court have reiterated all the same in their pronouncements. The crux of the judgment is that prior to putting an accused under arrest, IO has to put question on himself whether arrest is required or not, which has been done in the present case. So the judge has thereby said, I find force in the arguments that there were sufficient grounds to arrest the accused without notice. Sagarika, he has mentioned a number of things. 6-page order, we have accessed it first, Priyank accessing it.
But that point that has been made in that court order about the formatting of the phone becomes extremely critical here.